ready to ditch the office drone life and dive into a career that actually offers a meaningful path. Let's pull back the curtain and take a deep dive into the everyday experience of working at State Farm, exploring everything from day-to-day employee life and core cultural values. We'll explore the real deal, what it's like to work there, from employee experiences, the culture's vibe, what kind of benefits they offer, and the overall job outlook. Trust me, we're not just talking policies here. First off, let's get into the type of daily work at State Farm. The bulk of State Farm operations involve tasks like sales and customer service, but positions range from claims adjusters and underwriters to technology experts and marketing professionals. State Farm pride themselves on their culture. A lot of employees say the core values are truly practiced. They highlight a focus on doing the right thing and providing great customer service. It's often described as supportive, with a team environment and an emphasis on community involvement. Let's talk about benefits. State Farm offers typical benefits. Many employees report good health insurance options, paid time off, and retirement plans. Furthermore, many roles offer benefits such as training and growth opportunities. What about job prospects? State Farm hires a lot of people, offers career growth, and promotes from within. Because of their size and scope, they're often looking for people with various skills to contribute to the company. Let's be real, there are always pros and cons. On the plus side, job security, great benefits, and a healthy work-life balance, while on the other hand, internal culture can be variable among locations. So, is a career at State Farm right for you? Only you can decide. Considering the good and the bad, make sure you do your own research and think about your own priorities. Thanks for watching.